Okay. So hi guys, so today I'm going to provide the demo of the MPLS uh, MPLS forwarding things. So what we have done, we have created the 4 VM local setup. Let me quickly go through the setup. So this is the setup, okay, current setup where we have created the 4 VM local VM on which VM1 and VM4 are the simple Linux machine, and the other two VM2 and VM3, we have configured the VPP so that we can enable the MPLS features there. And now through the VPP, once MPLS is enabled, so what will happen? So whenever we will start ping from the machine 1, that is VM1, to the machine 4, that is VM4, the one, it will go with the via this VM2 and VM3, that is through the VPP and through the MPLS, and it will apply the MPLS level. So I'm going to just demo the things, same the things where I'm going to enable the MPLS features. I'm going to apply the level, and then the Apple level will be applied at one end on the BPP1, and then it will be pop out at the other end in the VPP2, and then we will see whenever we add the route, proper route, and the label things. So we will able to kind of get the ping response. I will also capture the logs, trace log, and also show you the trace, the PPP trace where the MPLS labels are visible. So let me quickly go over the setup now. So I have these 4 machines here. So these 2 machines mainly used to run the VPP, okay, application, and then other this machine is for the first machine where I'm going to start the ping process. The IP, the if go to the IP of this machine is 195. So which I have shown here, this is the first machine. Okay, now go to the VM2. So VM2 is this machine. Let me first start the VPP so that I can show the IP. Okay, so now I have started the VPP. Okay, so let me go on the start the VP CTL also. Okay, so yes. So this interface are currently down. Let me bring it up. So I have already have the interface that need to be configured for this. So I've configured the first machine. So interface address. It will the second machine with the 192.168, 200, 196 IP, and the which is interact with the first machine, and then the 210, 196 will the other VM, like we have mentioned here in the diagram. Okay, let me now bring in the start the machine. So, okay, so both interface are up. So I'm getting the IP. So this is the second VM, which is also now up. Now the fourth machine is the this is the simple machine on which I'm going to run the TCP dump. Okay, so let me just show the IP. So this is the machine 199. which we have just configured for the VM4. Okay, so let me close this. It's not required. Okay, so I'm going to start the TCP dump here. Okay, and now I'm going to start the ping from here. So I'm currently not getting any response here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enable the MPLS feature here. Okay, so if I go show MPLS web table 0, there is nothing. Okay, so FIP table is not created at all. So MPLS FIP table 0. So currently there is no FIP table. Now if I going to enable the MPLS configuration, to configure the MPLS, we need to have some setups commands, which is mentioned already in the Vpp site. So I have already written the commands. Let me quickly just paste the command here. And now if I go, so the VIP entry is already created for the particular label. We have added the label here 44. So if I go and put the level 44, so we will able to get the entry of the 44 here. Similarly, I'm going to do the here. I'm going to enable the MPLS feature. If you see the traffic is still not through. Once I enable the MPLS here and I apply the local level 47 and then apply the route through which the traffic needs to through. Okay, so I think the ping should be start. Okay, so you can see here the ping is also good started here. Okay, and we will able to get the response. We are pinging from the first machine and it's a reply back to the so we are pinging from 195 and we are getting response to pinging to 199 and we are getting response to 195. What I saw 195 to 199. So how things are working here? So little bit let's understand here. So here the VPP is just applying the MPLS label, okay, and then which labels is now visible. So now let me just show the FIB table here. So MPLS FIB table 0. Here also the FIB table got created, so it is through in the packet here. Okay, now quickly little bit go through the traces part. So if I show here, there is a show error. Okay, it will show that we are already getting the MPLS packet. The counter is getting increased. Clear errors, show errors. If you see here, the packet counts are getting increased. Okay, so and here also, if you see here, uh, we can see here the MPLS packet counts and input and output both are increased. When MPLS lookup is also getting. So how things are working here? If you go a little bit on the diagram side, so the VPP1 kind of apply the get the label and apply the label 44, which we have configured here. So we have applied the label 44, and now it is passes through the through traffic to the divert the throughout the packet diverted to the VPP2, which is here. And here, I think the label is getting the 44 is getting popped out here, and now 47 is getting popped in here. So these things are going here. So after enabling feature MPLS features, and now the traffic is going through. Let me just show you the trace part where I think I'm just going to show you the trace add TK input. Yeah. So yes, if you see here, we are getting the MPLS level 47 here. What we have applied here in the packet. Okay. Similarly, if you go here also, yes. add dp tk input 1000. So yes, if you see here, here MPLS level 44 are getting applied here. Okay, so what I have captured again, I have done the packet capture. I have done the PCAP capture, packet capture, and I have put it in the Wireshark just to verify what the data we are getting. So where I have put the Wireshark, I have captured the logs between the at VPP2 interface, VM2 and the VM3 at both the interfaces, I think. And now I have the Wireshark log also, which I'm going to show. So, yeah, this is the pickup. And I have captured it earlier, but I'm just showing it now because I need to download it. I need to capture it again. I need to download and then I have to show it. So if you see here, the MPLS level, this packet is there, multi here already it is given. So 47. It is for the interface 2. Okay. Packet 1. And if we show again the mm, yeah, and now I'm able to pick up 2 here also, where I'm able to see the level which I have captured the level 30, level 37, 38 I have tried. Here also, if I see, you see, I am able to apply the label, MPLS label, that is label here, 47. So we can, it shows that we have already, once we enable the label, we are able to kind of get it in the packet, capture packet also. Now, if I stop the packet, if I'm going to kind of delete the, mm, let me quickly delete that. Actually, I'm getting a little bit. Yeah. What I want to show here, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this and this. So it will currently ping is working fine. So ping will stop here. Okay. So So what it shows that with the proper route it is working, and when the route is deleted, the data traffic stops. So that was all from my side, which I was trying to show the how the traffic label is getting applied when MPLS feature is enabled and traverse through one VPP to other VPP. Thanks. Yeah. Stop the recording.